What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B and my son Josiah. We are back in the garage. We got something special going on Khrome, and we're gonna get into it right after this, y'all. Let's get it popping. Yeah, y'all, today we got a great video coming towards you right here on Kelly B channel, man. Hey, today this video is sponsored by my good people, Khrome Werks. They've been with your boy for a minute now, and I really appreciate Big Jared over there, man, taking care of business, man. I really appreciate him and Khrome Werks working with me this year, last year, and this year. So, man, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you what I got from Khrome Werks, y'all. Y'all, I'm finna get ready to change these grips off right here. These are the heated grips that I have right here. They're a little, man, they don't start to change color and fade and look shiny in spots, and I hate that. But my good friends from Khrome Werks sent me some over. These are something special, y'all. These are something special. You can see the package here. You can go to www.chromewerks.com and pick some of these up. But let me show you the grips, y'all. These are the grips here. You can see made by Avon, y'all. I love the way these feel. They're a lot thinner than these right here. And look at the logo that they have on here. Their logo, Khrome Werks logo. And you can also look here. You see the turbine tip? Let me show you something. Come on back behind the bike. Look at this. It looked just like the end cap, y'all. That is what's up right there, man. You can also get these right here. You can get them in the this turbine tip. You can get it in the tracer tip, whatever, the slanted tip, the chrome tips, whatever tip you have on your bike, you can get your hand grips to match that, man. That is off the chain right there. So we're gonna get these put on right here, man. Y'all, if you can feel these things, just feel the quality of these things. And the grip, man, look at that grip. Really nice, man, just really nice thought out. They thought this out. And I guess them and Avon is working together, and you know Avon is known for their grips. So we're gonna get this put on here, man, and I can, that's gonna look good up here already. So let's get this on here. I'm gonna take first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover up my tank, because you do not wanna scratch up your tank, y'all. And if you can cover other stuff up too, cover that up too, because I do not want any scratches on the bike, period. But yeah, we're gonna get this off right here. This should be real easy here, but the other side gonna probably be a little bit harder, because I'm gonna have to take the centerpiece up, because like I say, these are heated grips. So you know I had to take the little mirror off in the handguard. It was in the way of the screws back here to get this off. And I had to use the little pliers here, because, you know, on the heated grips, it's got that end that clips into here to give it heat and stuff. So we're gonna put this down here. And man, now, and make sure when you put it on, I'm gonna try to put this toward the top here. Oop, got paper in there. I'm gonna put the logo on the top. Okay, and we're gonna make sure everything's good. It's snapping back really, really good. So now we're gonna get everything back on here. Look how good that look on there. And I hadn't put everything back on here yet. So let's try to get everything put back on and see what it looked like on this side. Try to clean a little of this up, because you know these are spots you don't get to see much, but yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put these back on, and make sure that you get these right in there so that that thing won't slide out. We're gonna put it back on like that. Make sure that that thing is still turning. And we're gonna tighten these up just a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks real good, y'all. Oh, and they feel really good too. So yeah, we're gonna finish getting these on right here. And we definitely gonna have to show you what this boy looks like, man. So yeah. You gotta make sure you put this in here right so your brake will engage. I should use blue Loctite, but I'm gonna get these in here, get them started. Alrighty, let's get the last one. I think I am gonna put blue Loctite on there, because we don't need nothing coming loose. Oh man, that looks good. And make sure you put everything back where you think you're gonna want it, so you can get it right. So you can have your controllers in the right spot. We'll clean this up a little bit while we got it off. So yeah, that's about where I have mine at right there. Y'all, these feel excellent. They feel excellent. Oh yeah, they gonna work out just fine. Just look how it brings the bike out on the end, y'all. Look at that. That looks really, really good. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get everything put back on here and button it up. Then I'm gonna show it to you right after we get done with this, all right? Now I got the handguard back on and the mirror back on, and y'all, that looks really good. I cannot complain at all. Look how that look. And it just go with the bike, period. So yeah, and I love the way it feel. Oh yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get the rest of it on, cause I gotta pull this up, and we're gonna get the rest of it on, and I'll show you when I'm done what we got going on here with Khrome Werks hand grips, y'all. All right. Hey, you can see we got these babies on. Hey, they are easy to go on if you don't have heated grips, because if you got heated grips, you got to go through the, pull your other grips out. This one over here, the wire on this side here, you got to pull the cable out. But other than that, if you don't have heated grips on your bike already, you can just slide these on and lock them down. You got to break the harness here. You got 2 screws here, 2 screws here. Pull it off, slide it on, and that's be it, man. But make sure when you do put it on that it line up with the grooves on the inside of here, because that's your throttle. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it, man. I hope y'all like those, man. Those are sweet. I love the way they look. I just love the way they matches up with the exhaust and everything, man. So yeah, but that's gonna be it, y'all. But till next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one, and hope to see y'all in Daytona coming up 2024. I'm out. Peace. Have a blessed one.